am Lakshmi. I am studying in 8th class. My character is Railway Enquiry Officer.
Good morning to all. Myself, Jaga Rushita. I am studying 8th class. My character is passenger.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, please. How can I help you?
I lost my luggage on the train yesterday.
Which train did you board?
I was in Shatabdi Express from Delhi to Mumbai.
At what time did you board the train?
I boarded the train in the morning at 10 o'clock.
Could you please tell me in brief about your luggage?
It was an American tourist bag, dark red in color. It also has big letter R written on it.
Could you please show me your ticket?
Sure, sir. Here it is.
Sure, sir. Here it is.
Sure, sir. Here it is. Here it is.
I also need your ID proof to register your complaint.
Sir, here is my ID.
Ayyo.
Here is my ID.
We will be in touch with you as soon as we get any update. Just give us 24 hours.
Thank you, sir. I will be waiting for your call.
Thank you.